Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, or in English, beautiful sun to everyone. Syempre, joke lang yon. Good day to everyone. Again, my name is Nika, aka dominique.lim. So if you are new in this channel, please do not forget to hit like and subscribe, as this will help me grow my channel. Sa mga nanonood po sa atin dyan. So for today's video, I am going to show you on how to fix that projecting to this PC feature is disabled or not available after Windows Update. This is also a very important setup on how you can use your spare laptop, your spare monitor as a secondary screen. So as you can see, under projecting to this PC, everything is grayed out. So what you have to do is go back and then choose apps, and then on the left corner you will see the apps and features. Click on it, and then you will see optional features, and on this area click on add a feature, and then type in wireless display. Click on the box, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and then hit install. So as you can see, wireless display is now installing, so it might take a few minutes.
One eternity later.
Again, make sure that you are connected to the internet.
Few moments later.
Now, once this is installed, you can go ahead and close this window. Okay, so once you have closed the previous window, what you have to do now is click on the Start menu, and then click on the Settings icon, then go to System, and then on the left corner, look for the projecting to this PC, and then there you go, everything is now accessible. So that's it for today. So if you have questions, just comment down below, and please do not forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.